Excellence, state the chief guest. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I take this opportunity to request Honorable Governor Dr. Srimati Tamilisai Soundararajan to kindly give away the Award of Excellence to our faculty members for their outstanding contributions to the medical education. I would request Dr. Abhijat sir, President National Board of Examinations in Medical Sciences, to receive the award. Can we have a good round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Now I request Dr. Shishpa M. Basu, President, Society for Communication in Healthcare. I request
back on
Can we have a good round of applause? That was Dr. Shishpa M. Basu. Now we request Dr. Sudhanshu Basu, Principal Consultant, Department of Laparoscopic Minimal Access Surgery, General Surgery, Max Super Specialty. Thank you, sir. We request now Dr. Shivakant Mishra, Vice President, National Board of Examinations in Medical Sciences, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, New Delhi. Followed by Dr. Neerav Mishra, who is Director and Chief Consultant, Department of OBG and Laparoscopic Surgeon, Shivani Hospital, Kanpur. Now I request Dr. Rajesh Upadhyay, Senior Director and HOD, Gastroenterology and Hepatology, Max Super Specialty, Shalimar Delhi. May I have Dr. Veena Upadhyay now, Chairman Governing Body, Jan Shiksha Sansthan, Skill Development Program, Government of India. And we have now Dr. G.G. Lakshman Prabhu, Professor and HOD, Department of Urology, Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore, Karnataka.
Look here.
Now, may I request Dr. Rakesh Sharma, Member Governing Body and OSD to President, National Board of Examinations in Medical Sciences, Ministry of Health and Welfare. I request Dr. Ajay Kumar, Director Urology, Nephrology and Transplant, Palace HMLI Hospital, Patna, Bihar. Thank you so much, everybody. Please be seated. Now it's my honor and privilege to request Honorable Governor Dr. Srimati Tamilisai Soundararajan to kindly address the gathering.
Dr. Abhijit Sethi, President, National Board of Examination in Medical Sciences. Not only a tall person physically, but tall person in his deeds also. So I really appreciate his presence. And Dr. K. Hari Prasad, President of Hospital Groups. Dr. Rakesh Sharma, OSD to President, National Board of Examinations in Medical Sciences and Governing Body Member, Dr. Shishpa M. Basu, Senior Faculty in Obstetrics and Gynecology, at Max Super Speciality Hospital, Delhi. Dr. A. Ravindra Babu, Director Medical Services of Apollo Hospital, Hyderabad. And my respects to all the dignitaries for felicitation by who were felicitated here. Madam Dr. Abhijit Seth and Dr. Madam Sisha Basu and Dr. Sitangshu Basu, Dr. Shivakant Mishra, Dr. Neelam Mishra, Dr. Rajesh Upadhyaya, Dr. Veena Upadhyaya, Dr. Lakshman Prabhu, Dr. Rakesh Sharma, Dr. Ajay Kumar, and my respects to Dr. Pratap Reddy, Chairman Apollo Group of Hospitals, and Madam Sangeeta Reddy, and her sisters, and all the management staff, and one and all. I really appreciate the management of Apollo Hospitals in association with the National Board of Examination for conducting this program on communication, which is the need of the hour. And I appreciate the National Board of Examinations, particularly under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Abhijit Seth, brought up several reforms in the last 5 years